This is how you're going to export a project in Base44. So first, you're going to click on the export icon in the top toolbar to get a zip, or you can move code to GitHub. So you basically have two options. So first option I'm going to show you is by integrating GitHub, and then you can deploy it via GitHub or export it there. So just click on this GitHub icon that you can see here just beside this three dots or this share icon. You can just find it right here, connect GitHub, and then all you have to do is to follow all of the steps in order for you to integrate GitHub with your Base44 app. Now, this will just ask you to authorize the connection, and then that's it. Now, another thing that you can do is to export this via zip. So you can just click on the three dots icon right here and then click on export project as zip. Now, once you have it exported to zip, again, you just have to upgrade first. You cannot use this via free trial. You can access this if you are using the pro or the builder, elite, or enterprise plans. Now, once you have it exported to zip, it will be downloaded to your computer and exported, and that's it. That is how you're going to export a project on Base44. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.